In the OCCAM project, we want to transform scanned documents into a machine-readable format and make it available in multiple languages to ease the accessibility of foreign documents. When you access the application for the first time, you are prompted to log in with your Google account. This secures your personal space with documents. We log in and enter the application. The first time you log in, you get prompted with a guided tour that will help you to use the application. We will skip the guided tour as today I will be your guide. You may always reactivate the guided tour in the settings, as well as change the language of the application. The first time you use the application, the start page will be blank. Otherwise, you will see a collection of previously processed documents. The collection is fully paginated, and you may quickly find the needed document by using the search bar. To access publicly available documents, you may use the website filter. Adding a new document is a simple 5-step process. In the first step, you provide a title and a summary of your document. The summary field is optional. In the second step, you upload your document either as a PDF or as an image. If your document consists of several files, it is possible to upload them all at once. Further on, you should choose an OCR model. When clicking on the model, you will see a brief description that will help you to make a choice. It is also possible to skip this step and provide a transcription of your document in the following step. In this tutorial, I will use a model suggested by our AI. Here you get a chance to revise the uploaded pages and start the engine. To do so, for each page individually, click on Start OCR. To do so for all pages, click on OCR All Pages. This will take a few moments. In the Page View tab, you will see the original page with the recognized text marked by blue boxes. The recognized text can also be found in the Text View tab, as well as the sidebar. You will also notice that the engine recognized the language of the document. Now that the pages have been processed, we can translate the recognized text on each page. To do so, we click on the Translate option in the context menu and select a target language. The option Translation Memory leverages a dictionary of common phrases to enhance translation. The translation is now complete. It didn't take long, and now you can view the text in English. You can also view the processing stages, OCR and translation in the tab History. The fields of the metadata produced by the application are editable. To download the results, we proceed to the last step of the OCR process. Here you can select the fields you need and click on Download to get the data in a zip file. It is also possible to publicly share your data through the Open Archives initiative, an open source protocol for meta harvesting. This concludes a general overview of the OCCAM application. Hopefully it allowed us to illustrate how OCCAM could help you in understanding foreign scanned documents.